So you see that the Mayastor has been failed in SSSE3. I think it's something to do with the UCT. So what I can do is okay, the latest version is the UCT3. Okay. So they have 11 paired for. James James Webb telescope is really amazing engineering things that require some huge amount of material study and huge amount of science behind for cooling system and for clean system because you launch thing out of space and it's so sensitive to anything. It could break so easy. So I'm not sure. It's zero gravity and it has no zero pressure and no atmosphere at all. So it's really different from the Earth environment. So there's a lot of things I think about the telescope. It amazed me when they explain the journey from for the telescope to launch the space. I see the space so huge, so beautiful, and so amazed with wonders. I really want to know how if there's any kind of life in outer space and any kind of civilization outer space, and I really want to see if they really happen to, you know, I just want to know. It's so amazing because we are now living in a life with material. You can touch things, you can feel things with all our sensors. Oh, what is the word? Without our sense, we can feel the living, and it's really amazed me about that. I do want to really understand how space is behave, how what life is going on. So a lot of things to question about, you know. So let's meanwhile we are waiting for this one. Let's just see if there's any other thing we can look at. For example, this one. Is there any reason why it's failing? Okay, there's no reason why it's failing. You know, to understand the operating system is quite amazing, and to really understand what behind all this one or what thing we're looking at, like all the library we are installing, how it interact between software and the hardware. It's really a science within itself, another universe is within itself. It's a lot of things to learn. You know, do you really understand all of these libraries and how they affect our machine? It's a big question. But you can really see things here. Like I'm trying to install GCC, and what is how is related between the what is DPK and um, how the SSE related to DKP. Okay, DPK and that that plan development kit. That makes sense. Yeah. So how do they related to the Intel's? Yeah. So if you look at all the prerequisite like this, let me just look at the basic troubleshooting to see what we can do with this. I don't know. It's just my emoji support this one, so it's quite amazing for me that if this one is not even supporting. So okay, let's just upgrade this for now. I will go with 10.4. Okay, that's interesting.